In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search courses on Teachable. Let's begin with the big picture. Teachable hosts many different online schools, and each school has its own homepage. Your goal is to get to the homepage of the specific school you're interested in. You might get there through a direct link from an instructor, from a search engine result, or by typing the school's address if you already have it. Once you're on that school's homepage, you're in the right place to start your search. Next, look for the search bar. On most Teachable schools, you'll find it near the top right corner of the page. It may appear as a magnifying glass icon or a field labeled Search. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling a little, or check the site's header and main navigation. Some schools use themes where the search bar is tucked into the menu or appears on their All Courses or Catalog page. The key is to locate that search field so you can quickly filter what's available. Now type in keywords related to the course topic you want to find. Keep your terms clear and focused. For example, if you're looking for photography, start with a simple keyword like photography. If the results are too broad, refine with more detail, such as portrait photography or beginner photography. If you get too few results, try broadening your term or using a common synonym. You can also remove extra words that don't help, like the or a, and double-check spelling to avoid missing relevant courses. When you submit your search, the site will display matching results, often showing course titles, and sometimes short descriptions or category tags. Scan the list and look for titles that closely match your intent. If you see a lot of similar courses, note the ones that emphasize your level, like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. If nothing looks right, adjust your keywords and search again. A small tweak, such as swapping marketing for digital marketing or coding for Python, can instantly improve your results. That's the full process. Reach the school's homepage, find the search bar, enter precise keywords, and review the results. With just a few thoughtful keyword adjustments, you'll quickly narrow in on the most relevant courses for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you find exactly what you're looking for on Teachable.